When you add any Tier 2 app to your study apps list in Mosyle Manager, this will allow students to see those same apps and install them in their self-service portal in Mosyle Manager. So on the student iPad, which you see here, they would go into the Mosyle Manager application, and on the bottom left they have My Apps. They'll see all the core apps that are pushed out by the district. They can actually update or reinstall these apps. Some apps that update quite frequently are the Canvas student app, and Zoom updates quite frequently as well. Now, down in the very bottom, you'll see suggested apps. So you'll see when any of the study apps you add will be in this lower section, and the students can install these themselves. So if I'm going to install Pages, I'm going to click on Install. Command is sent to device. I'm going to go to my home screen. I'm going to see it loading there. I'll do this also for GarageBand. Again, it's command sent to device. And you can see GarageBand's waiting to load there. So that is probably the easiest way for students to get apps from the Tier 2 group downloaded to their iPad.